Alright friends, so unboxing motherboard Asus Prime Z390-A. So let's see what we have in there. Okay. Before we do, I have to discharge the static. Be careful. The static charge. What else this has? In addition to motherboard, it has I/O plate. Okay. It has two SATA connector for internal hard drive. It has a connector for front panel from the case into the front panel of the motherboard. So all these power switches and hard drive LED and will be connected on this one. Okay. What is this? What is this? Let's open this up. Oh, it's SLI HB bridge. I'm not using two video cards, so I don't need to use this for SLI. SLI basically is combining two video cards, so they'll be more powerful when playing games. Motherboard supports SLI. The power supply I have supports SLI, and if I get another video card, I can install it in the configuration of SLI to utilize the power of two video card. Okay, so I don't need that. What is this? Fan holder. Asus fan holder. Where would this go? Fan holder, I'll figure this out. Oh, okay, all right. This goes in the on the bottom of the motherboard for CPU fan, to have it in one place. So, okay. That's where we have a book, and the DVD, but even though we probably would not need it, but we have it. Okay. All right. Let's look at the motherboard itself. So, discharge my static. I'm standing on the carpet. Okay. Aha, look at this baby. Wow. Okay, it has a CPU slot. Basically you have to lift this up and yeah, okay, you have to lift this lever to open this slot and take this out, and I will install the CPU in here. You got 4 slot for memory, and this is one M.2, and this is, I believe, is a second M.2. So you open this up here. Oh, wait a minute, I'm sorry. So on this side, M.2. So you open this and install M.2 underneath here. This is a chipset, probably the chipset for the North Bridge. Okay, you got two PCI Express 16. You got 1, 2, 3 PCI Express 1. You have a connection for fan, and you have another connection for fan here, I believe. This is for CPU fan, and there should be another connection for chassis fan right here. Okay, I'm going to install the extension anyway because I'm going to be using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fans. So I already bought the extension for that. Okay, I believe this is a front panel. Yes, it's a front panel, and this one, where did it go? After connecting into the pins in the motherboard, this will go right in here. It will get connected here. Okay. All right. The USB from the front panel will get connected here. USB 3 will USB 3, I believe, is USB 1, USB 2. Where did USB 3 go? Yeah, this is USB 3.1 and this is USB 2. So actually 1, 2, 3. You have 3 connection for USB 2, but there is one connection for USB 3 for the front. Also, in the back, here you have the HD audio, you have digital audio out here, you have USB 3.0, you have USB 3.1, 1, 2, 3, 3.1, 2, 3.0, and 2, 2.0 USB. And I believe there's a display port. Yeah, this is a display port and this is HDMI. Since I will not be using video of motherboard, I have a video card, so I probably will have display port and HDMI port on the other one. Okay, what else we got here? This is a south bridge, this is a north bridge. Okay, what is this? On and off. Oh, it's a power switch on, power switch off. Okay. This is the power connection from the power supply into the motherboard. Right. M.2. M.2 look like, okay. Where basically, all right, I see it. I see the way it goes. It already have a stand for that. Okay. Yeah, I love this. Okay. Alright, let me put this back. Alright, this is the... Okay, so this is the end of motherboard, and I will make more of the video for other components.